In this video, we will discuss about vernier caliper. We will also measure the dimension by using the vernier caliper. Vernier caliper is used to measure the internal dimension, external dimension as well as the depth. You can see a vernier caliper in this picture. It has main scale as well as vernier scale. In this picture, you can see that it has external as well as the internal jaw to measure the dimension.
How to use vernier caliper. So here you can see that on the main scale division, before the zero mark on the sliding vernier scale, here it is 41 millimeter, which is before the zero mark on vernier scale division. So now on main scale division we obtained 41. After that, now we have to check on the vernier scale division the point which coincide with the main scale division. So here you can check, is 0 coincides with the main scale division? No. 1 is also not. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 6 coincides with the main scale division. Here you can see 6 coincides with the main scale division. So now our answer is 41.6 millimeter. So let's check 41.6, and yes, our answer is absolutely correct. So let's check another block. Here we are taking the least count 0.1 millimeter. So let's check this block. Here you can see before the zero mark on vernier scale division, here it is 30 millimeter plus. Now on the vernier scale division we can check the value which coincide with the main scale division. Here you can see that the eighth mark on the vernier scale division coincide with the main scale division. So now our answer is 30.8. So let's check the dimension on a vernier scale whose least count is 0.02 millimeter. Here you can see that the number of division on vernier scale division increases, so its least count becomes 0.02 millimeter. So let's check this block length. So here you can see that before the zero mark on vernier scale division, there are 30 marks on the main scale division. So 30 millimeter plus 0 point. Here you can check on the vernier scale division which coincides. So I see here that the 3 on vernier scale division coincides with the main scale division. So now our answer is 30.3. So let's check 30.3, and yes, our answer is absolutely right. So let's check one more block. Again, here you can see before the zero mark there are 29 division, and here again you can see that one on vernier scale coincides with the main scale. So our answer is 29.1. And yes, our answer is right. So in this way you can check on vernier scale. We have another type of vernier caliper. Here it is called dial vernier caliper. Here you can see the value which appear on the screen. So now we can measure the length of this block. So put it here, and now here you can see that before this there are 32 mark which can be easily visible to you, 32. And now on this dial you can check that the mark 63 63 coincides. So 63, no, 63 not, here is 6, and in between 6 and 7 there are 5 marks, so the third one coincides. So here 6 6, so 0.66. Okay, so now our answer is 32.66. 32.66.
32.66. Yes, our answer is right. So let's check the another block so it would be more clear to you.
So now here you can see there are 27 before
This jaw, and there is 27 on. Now on the dial you can see between 2 and 3 the dial is on the between 4 and 5th mark, so it is 29. Okay, 29. So 27.29. Our answer is 27.29. Okay. Okay, there is no problem. Here you can easily see that this is in between 4 and 5 marks, so our answer is correct. The app cannot read as well as we can. Okay, so let's check one more. So here you can see there are 56 plus 56.76, 56.76, and yes, this is right. Thank you.